Hello friends, welcome to Adobe XD video tutorials series. In this video tutorial, we are going to understand how to navigate between artboards in Adobe XD. We understand how to navigate between artboards in Adobe XD. You can see I have an artboard. I renamed it to home page. Just by double clicking you can rename the artboard, guys. Home page. And if you see in the home page, we have a rectangle. In the rectangle I have placed Manjunath, home, qualification, skills, projects, contact, text, guys. Then there is a rectangle 2. In that I have placed the text home page. Then there is a rectangle 3. In that I have placed copyright 2023. So that's our home page, guys. What I do, I select the rectangle 1 and the content inside it. Press Ctrl G to group and rename it to nav bar. Okay, it's a nav bar of our website. Then I select the content, home page and the rectangle 2. Press Ctrl G to group. I rename this to main content, and then I select rectangle 3 and the copyright text. Press Ctrl G and rename it to footer. Okay, so we have nav bar, main content and footer, guys. Next, what I do, I duplicate the artboard. Okay, we want to understand how to navigate between artboards, right? So I hold down the Alt and drag the home page to make a duplicate of it. Okay. Next, I rename the home page to QUALIFICATION, qualification, and I double click on the text here, home page, change it to qualification page. So it is easy to understand at present we are in which page. Okay, so qualification page. If I want, I can change this also to qualification page. Okay, because here we have home page, qualification page. Okay, next what I do, I zoom out. Okay, let's zoom out. Let's put the qualification page on the left side. Alt drag to duplicate. Okay, then I rename this to SKILLS, skills page, and here I change the text to skills page. So SKILLS, skills page. Then I select both the artboards, Alt drag to duplicate. Okay, you can see. Then I rename this artboard to PROJECTS, projects page, and I double click on the text, rename it to projects page. Then I double click on the artboard and rename it to CONTACT, contact page. I double click on this group and change the text here to contact page. Okay, now if I select the home page artboard and click on the play button, if I click on qualification, it should display qualification page. If I click on skills, it should display skills page. If I click on projects, it should display projects page. If I click on contact, it should display contact page. So how do we do that? That's what we are understanding. To add interactivity, we go to prototype, guys. Okay, prototype tab. And here we select the nav bar, double click to go inside. Here we have the home text. You see, home text is selected. When we click on the home text, it should display the home page. So I just leave this wire on the home page itself. Fine. Next, I select the qualification. When we click on the qualification text, it should display as qualification page. So I leave it here. Then I select the skills text. When we click on the skills text, it should display as skills page. In the same way, I select the projects. When we click on the projects text, it should display projects page. When we click on contact text, it should display contact page. So now if I click on the play button, if I click on qualification, it displays qualification page. I close it. If I click on the play button, if I click on skills, it displays the skills page, right? So now we are in the skills page. Okay, if I click on projects, contact, nothing happens because we have to add the interactivity in each of these pages. Understanding? So let's do that one. Here I select the qualification page, double click. When we click on the home text, it should display home page. I select the qualification text, it should display the same qualification page. When we click on skills, it should display skills page. When we click on projects text, it should display projects page. When we click on contact text, it should display contact page. In the same way, I go to skills page. Okay. When we click on home text, it should display home page. When we click on qualification text, it should display qualification page. When we click on skills text, it should display skills page. When we click on projects text, it should display projects page. When we click on contact text, it should display contact page. Like this, we add the interactivity, guys. Now let's see here. Let's go to projects page. Double click, select the home text. When we click on home text, it should display home page. When we click on qualification text, it should display qualification page. When we click on skills text, it should display skills page. When we click on projects text, it should display projects page. When we click on contact text, it should display contact page. In the same way, here, when we click on home text, it should display home page. When we click on qualification text, it should display qualification page. When we click on skills text, it should display skills page. When we click on projects text, it should display projects page. When we click on contact text, it should display contact page. Like this, we are going to add the interactivity. If I click on the play button, now we can navigate in any page, guys. So qualification page, skills page, projects page, contact page. Now we are in the contact page actually. So if I click on qualification or home page, we go to home page. So we can navigate between any page, guys, right? Any artboard. So that is how we can navigate between the artboard in Adobe XD. I hope you guys have clearly understood. I suggest you people to try it yourself and experiment. If you try, you get more clear idea, guys. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends so that everyone will get benefited. For more benefits and be up to date, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep learning, keep designing, keep sharing. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.